Telephoto Alt phone provides you the simplest solution for transferring your WhatsApp data from your one smartphone to your another. This tool supports both the iOS and Android devices. You simply just need to get this tool, connect both of your devices to your PC or Mac, and simply just hit the transfer button. Now it will automatically guide and transfer your WhatsApp data from your one device to your another. Also, with the help of this tool, you can very easily back up your WhatsApp data and can restore it directly from your PC or Mac itself. So check out this amazing Telephoto Alt phone to easily transfer your WhatsApp data from the link in the video description. So finally, Samsung has launched their this year's premium flagship lineup, the Galaxy S21. Here we are having the latest Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung actually introduced a new kind of a camera design. Personally, I even like this design because it really looks premium, cool, and really attractive too. We are getting the Gorilla Glass Victus on the front as well as on the rear side, whereas the frame is of aluminium. We are getting a 6.8 inches of the display in the front, which is actually a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which now even supports 120 Hz at the Quad HD resolution. Talking about the resolution, we actually get a 1440 by 3200 pixel screen under this with a 515 ppi density, which is crystal clear, sharp, and we can run pretty smoothly 120 Hz at this resolution. So basically, in terms of the gaming, in terms of the display quality, it's one of the best displays one can get out there. In terms of the platform, we are getting the latest Android 11, the One UI 3.1, which is actually powered by an Exynos processor. Samsung actually introduced their new Exynos 2100 5nm processor, whereas in terms of the international, the US and the China variants, we are actually even getting the latest Snapdragon 888, which is also 5nm processor. Both are pretty fast. Here we are having the Exynos version, and of course it supports the super fast 5G. We get 12 gigs of RAM with the 256GB variant, whereas 16GB if we go for the 512 gigs of variant. Now getting on to the main thing, the camera part, here we are getting the four major cameras. The one is the primary wide angle sensor, which is the 108 megapixel, and Samsung has really worked a lot on this thing. Also, Samsung has added the dual telephoto sensors in over here. One supports the 3x optical zoom, whereas the another supports up to 10x optical zoom. Again, we are having that 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, which even now supports the super steady video. Talking about the videos, we are getting the 8K at the rate of 24 FPS recording with this device, and on the front we are having this 40 megapixel selfie camera, which can even record 4K at the rate of 60 FPS. Just one thing to mention, that we are again getting that same ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, not an optical one, so we need to keep it in mind if we are looking to get a screen protector, that the screen protector must allow us to use this fingerprint. Also, this device is having a 5000 mAh battery, which actually supports 25 watt fast charging, which can charge up to 50% in less than 30 minutes, which is pretty kind of a nice thing. Talking about the colors, we are actually getting multiple colors in over here. The majors are the Phantom Black and the Phantom Silver in this Ultra version. And most importantly, this device now supports the S Pen. Most of the S Pen features of the Galaxy Note lineup are supported by this Galaxy S21 Ultra. So now you can pretty easily use the S Pen to actually perform multiple tasks on your S21 Ultra lineup. Also, Samsung is providing several cases which you can buy separately, which actually even has an outlet to put your S Pen as well as the phone together, making it an easier way to carry around the S Pen with the phone itself. So in overall, it's a completely featured packed device. Now the only question that actually remains is that shall we go for this device or not? In my personal opinion, I will definitely consider upgrading. If anyone is looking for getting a premium range of flagship smartphone, then Galaxy S21 Ultra is really worth investing in, because it will be a perfect device from the business point of view, from the productivity point of view. I will highly recommend it. Even in terms of the gaming, if you got the Snapdragon version, it will be absolutely a beast. So I will definitely consider getting this device to be used as my daily driver. So this was my overall review of this Galaxy S21 Ultra. Hope you found the specs that this device actually offers as really amazing and powerful. If so, thumbs up the like button, and please do share this video. With this is Milind from Enoylity Technology signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, peace out.